everyone, Abby here. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we will be opening up 5 more Pokemon Vivid Voltage Booster Packs. I'm really excited to see what we pull, and yeah, before we get started, my Instagram will pop up on the screen. My TikTok will then pop up on the screen. Please don't forget to hit that bell notification down at the bottom, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and on with the video. Let's get started. We have 2 Zarude packs, 2 Orbeetle packs, and 1 Celebi pack. So let us open up one of the Orbeetle packs first. Here's the code card. For the front, as always, we have an Electric Energy, Sableye, Cramorant, Kakuna, Blitzel, Milcery, Skiddo, Eevee, Trubbish, a Reverse Sableye, and a Donphan. Cool. Next, we will open up the Zarude pack. Here's the code card. 4. We have a Fire Energy, Hitmontop, Swoobat, Magcargo, Tillo, Sandile, Oshawott, Pineco, Clefairy, a Reverse Clefable, and a Lycanroc. Next, we will open up the 3rd pack, which will be Celebi. Here's the code card. And now we have a Leaf/Grass Energy, Wash Energy, Sarchester Bath, Hitmontop, Clefairy, Tynamo, Milcery, Galarian Meowth, Shymicho, a Reverse Drennaw, and cool! We got Togekiss V. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. I love the shine. Oh, that's really cute, too. I love the artwork. Oh, how cute. Awesome. Togekiss V. Next, we will open up the 4th pack of Zarude. Here's the code card. Fire Energy, Coding Energy, Hero's Metal, Galarian Stunfisk, Slugma, Whimsir, Execute, Woobat, Beldum, a Reverse Carlisa, and a Fortress. And the last pack we will open is of Orbeetle. Here's the code card. We have an Electric Energy, Metang, Alistair, Girafarig, Wailmer, Tynamo, Execute, Chatot, Globopus, a Reverse Hitmontop, and a Shedinja. Yeah, sorry, I don't know how to say this. But, oh, that's cool. Awesome. I'm very, very happy that we pulled Togekiss V. Togekiss V, how cute. Awesome. Well, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see all you guys in the next video. Bye!